Good morning, everybody. Today we will do a topic called homophones and homonyms. Homo means same, phone means sound. There are some letters in English which are having same pronunciation but different meaning. There are some words which are same in pronunciations, spellings may be different. Examples two, two, and two. These words are having identical pronunciation but different spellings and meaning. That's why they may be referred to as homophones. Homophones, as we said, are two words that sound the same but have different meanings. So the words two and two are homophones as are eight and eight. There's another word that begins with homo, which native speakers often confuse with homophone, homonym. Again, the root homo means same, but nym means name. Homonym is a single word that has more than one meaning. Example of homonym is word beer. You probably know the meaning of beer may be a large animal and beer means to tolerate. Right? So homophones, homonyms, they are having identical pronunciation. Let us do different homophones given below. First one is ate. Ate is a verb. This is a simple past tense of verb to eat. Right? Ate means to eat. And eight means it is which comes after 7. It is a number. Second one is bare. Bare is an adjective. It means that it is not covered or decorated. It is naked. Right? Example, Tom likes to walk around his house in bare feet. Means not having any cover. And another bear means a large mammal. When you go camping, you should be careful not to leave any food or anything with a scent in your tent because they can attract bears. Third is by, B-U-Y by, B-Y by, B-Y-E by. Although this sounds same, but all of them have got different meaning. To buy means a synonym of to purchase. It's probably one of the first verb you learn. I forget my money at home. Do you think you could buy me lunch and I will pay you back tomorrow? Right? Another by means it is used for many sentences. This can be used in many different ways. It's commonly used to mean next to or near when describing a location. It can also indicate who created something. BYE, by means it is a short form of goodbye. So all this BUY by, that is to purchase, BY by, right? It is means next. BYE by means it's a goodbye. Fourth one is cell. Cell. Cell is a small area or room, usually in a prison. Right? A cell can also be one of the smaller division of a living organism. To sell means to sell means exchange a product or service for money. Fifth one is due. Do. Due. Dew means it is during winter time. Small drop of water that accumulate on plants and other object outside during the night. It's called dew. To do. Do means this common verb is used to indicate an action. It can also be an auxiliary verb. Due means DUE. This is used to indicate the deadline, final day that something can happen. My friend is pregnant. Her baby is due in October. Sixth one, EYE, I and I. I means it is referring to a body parts of a person. I means I am a first person singular subject pronoun. I really hope you know what this word means. Seventh one is fairy. Fairy means a fairy tale, mythical creature that can often do magic. There is a fairy named Tinkerbell in the story Peter Pan. Fairy means it is about a small creature. Ferry means it's a boat that moves passenger and vehicles across water. So two meanings are there. Eighth one is flour. Flour. Flour means this is the main ingredient in bread. It's powder made from ground grains. Tony wanted to make a cake, but he did not have any flour, so he could not. Flour, the decorative, colorful part of a plant. Flower. We have lot of flour. Ninth one is for. FOR and FOUR. Both of them have same pronunciation, but is having a different meaning. For is a preposition. This preposition is usually used to indicate a person who receives something or to indicate a purpose. We wanted to buy a chocolate cake for Cheryl's birthday. The bakery did not have any chocolate cakes for sale, though, so we got vanilla instead. FOUR means it's a noun. The number after 3 and before 5. The Beatles, one of the most famous bands ever, had 4 members: George, John, Paul, and Ringo. 10th one, hear. Hear. To hear is a verb. This is the action that you do with your ears. The sense is called hearing. I can't hear the TV. Can you please turn up the volume? Hear, adverb. Here indicates the place where you are at any moment. It's the opposite of there, basically. Can you set the boxes down over here, please? Yes, right here next to the door. So both these here are having different meaning. 11th one is hour. Hour means a period of time that lasts 60 minutes, 1 hour. Hour means this is possessive pronoun form of we. We should study for our exam. 12th one, know, know. To know is a verb. To have knowledge or understanding about something. Reggie knows how to speak French. No means it is refusing something, some work. There is no good reason to listen to Justin Bieber. 13 one, night. Knight, knight means a man gives a special honor by a king or queen. The title is usually Sir. One popular English legend talks about King Arthur and the Knights of the Round Table. Another night means it is the period of time when it is dark and most people sleep. 14th one, mail mail means when you send any message, email through Gmail, social networking platform. It is called mail. Another male is we are talking about female male. Male means a boy. 15th one, marry. Marry. MARRY, marry means the action when two people have a wedding. Marry means to get married. Marry means ME Merry means Merry Christmas, enjoy Christmas, good Christmas, happy Christmas. Right? So one marry means to get married, another marry means to get, right, to be happy. 16 one is meat. Meat. meat means it is we are talking about the flesh of an animal. Vegetarians don't eat meat. To meet, verb. When you are introduced to a person for the first time, it can also refer to later meetings. I am excited to travel to England so I can meet some new people. 17th one, PAIR, pair. PEAR, pair. Pair means a set of two things that go together. Most of these examples of homophone sets are pair of words, but some are group of 3 or 4 words. PEAR, it's a noun. It is a delicious fruit. I wanted to buy pears to my fruit salad, but they only had winter pears. I don't like winter pears very much because they are hard. So I got peaches instead. 18th, right, right. RIGHT, right means it's an adjective. This can mean either a synonym of correct or the opposite of left. To write is a verb, the action of making words or marks to represent ideas. Jerry's dream is to write a novel, but he has not decided what the book should be about. 19th one, cite, SIGHT and SITE. Sight means, again it's noun, talking about, sight means looking, right? This is the sense that you use when you see or look. Blind people can't see, they have no sight. SITE, sight means, this is a synonym for place. The most common modern use is in the word website. There's an awesome site for language learners. It's www.fluentu.com. 20th one is sun, sun. SON, sun means SON, son means a male child. Grandma and grandpa had 4 sons and 3 daughters. SUN, sun, it's noun. The star at the center of our solar system It's that big yellow thing in the sky during the day. Don't look directly at the sun or you will damage your eyes. You may even lose your eyesight. SON sun means we are talking about a boy. SUN sun means sunlight. 21. There. 21 is there, there, there. THEIR. These are the usual words which are coming in during writing any sentences, reading any books. We usually find there, THEIR, that's there, pronoun, the possessive pronoun for the subject they, we should study for our English exam and they should study for the German exam. THERE, their adverb. Remember the word here above. This is basically the opposite of that. There can refer to any place where you are not at. So THEIR there is a pronoun. THERE there means it's adverb. They are apostrophe contraction. This is a contraction of the phrase they are. The children all passed their exam, so they are very happy. It's a contraction of the phrases. So all this there are used differently. 22. Two, two, two. TO2 means this usually indicates a direction that something is moving. Every day Paul and Judy drive together to school. TOO, adverb. To can usually either mean also or it can indicate that there is more of something than necessary. I am too full to finish this plate of food. I will ask the waiter if we can have a container to take it home. And I will ask for the bill too. TWO, 2, noun. The number after 1 and before 3. Most homophone sets have 2 words, but some have 3 or 4. 23. One, won. ONE. One means it's a noun. The number after 0 and before 2. The musical group Three Dog Night said that 1 was the loneliest number. Won is a verb. Won is a simple past and participle form of the verb to win. Grandpa won $500 in his poker game. 24. WAIT, wait and wait. To wait means to stay in one place or to anticipate something. It was snowing a lot, so the bus came late. I had to wait in the cold for 20 minutes. Wait. This word indicates how heavy something is. One weight is cold. That is, we are talking about vajan. And 25th, wear. To wear, to have clothing or accessories on your body. I hate wearing ties. They are uncomfortable, hot and hard to tie. Do you wear ties? Where, interrogative. A question word used to ask for a location. Where should we meet for dinner? Personally, I would like to meet at the new Chinese restaurant in town. That is 25th. So this were the 25 homophones with an identical meaning. Pronunciation will be same but meaning is different. There are a lot of other homophones that we are using in our daily life. But although their meaning may be different, they pronounce in the same way.